If you are a student, a teacher, a content writer, or any other professional who works with text, you may need to check these texts for plagiarism and now for AI to make sure they are original. Plagiarism or passing AI-generated text as your own text may have huge consequences for your work, career, or even life. That's why it is important to make sure that your texts are plagiarism-free and that you do not use AI in your text, you wrote them by yourself. Previously, you had to find some websites that checks plagiarism and AI, upload your text, wait for a result, but now there is a much faster and much easier way how you can check any text from your browser for plagiarism and AI. It is called Integrito Plagiarism and AI Checker extension, available for Chrome browser and for Mozilla Firefox browser. You can install it in 10 seconds in your browser and then check any kind of text from your browser for plagiarism and AI. Either you work on your text on Google Docs or on Word 365, or you just need to check something from a website to make sure that it is not plagiarized or AI generated. You can select text from this web page, launch our extension, and click check. In no time, you will see the result in 2 tabs, for plagiarism and for AI presents. Let me show you how it works. It will not take more than 1 minute from installation to checking the first text.
When you click one of the links below this video, you will visit either Firefox browser web store or Chrome browser web store. Here we are in Chrome browser web store. You see a page of our Integrito Plagiarism and AI Checker. You can also find it by searching for Integrito in Chrome web store search. For this page, you can install our extension in literally 10 seconds. Just hit Add to Chrome, hit Add Extension. That's it. Integrito Plagiarism and AI Checker is installed in your Chrome browser. Here is a quick guide on how to make it accessible every time you need it. We advise to pin it in your extensions panel. To do that, click on this icon in your extensions panel, find our Integrito Plagiarism and AI Checker, and click Pin. So now it is available anytime you need it. Before using it, you need to create an account in plagiarismcheck.org, or you can log in with your existing credentials if you already have an account in plagiarismcheck.org. I already have an account, so I will use login. After you sign up or log in, this extension will be ready to use. So you can paste the text that you need to check here, or just select it from the web page, open this extension, and click check. Let's check those 2 paragraphs from a Google Doc. You need to copy them, launch an extension, and paste them in an extension, then just click check. Now the check is in progress. It will take around 30 to 60 seconds to check this text for plagiarism and AI. Please do not close this window until this text will be checked, otherwise you will not see the result. Of course, you can find this result in your profile if you go to a plagiarismcheck.org webpage, but it is much more convenient to see it in a Chrome extension. Here is the result. It found 20% similarity, and I really copied this sentence from Wikipedia, and I just copy-pasted it. It also says that it found AI content, and I generated those 2 paragraphs in AI generator. If you need to open a detailed report, click here and you will see such a report that shows sources for similarity. For example, here we see that this text was found on Wikipedia and on some other sources. If you need to check something from a web page outside Google Docs, you can just select the text that you would like to check, launch our extension again, and this text will be already here. So you just need to hit check, and the same process begins. So it will take a while until we check this text for plagiarism and AI, and you will see the result with an ability to open a detailed report.
Now you see how easily and quickly you can check any text from your browser for plagiarism and AI. Install our extensions using the links below for Firefox and for Chrome browser. To use these extensions, you will need to add pages to your account. Use the promo code below for 30% off any package you will choose.